Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're watching A Ritter Bit Will Do. My name's John, and guess what? It finally snowed. I've been waiting for this. I mean, seriously, we haven't had a whole lot of snow at all. And there's only about 3 inches here, but the tractor's warmed up. We're ready to go. Let's get to it. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how my offset blade works. We haven't seen that for a while, so I know there's a lot of new subscribers who probably haven't figured that out, but I'm going to move this blade so it goes way off to the right, because I can offset this blade. That way I can take a 7-foot swath at a time with this little tractor, so you will see what I mean. Hold on. Alright, is that crazy or what? It's kind of neat. So when you look at the front of the tractor here, now I've got the 48-inch or 50-inch snowblower. I think it's 50. And then I got the blade sticking out the side. So now I can take quite a wide swath as I move some snow. So that's what we're gonna do. So you can see how this works. And of course, just as I was about to show you that, I broke a shear pin, a shear bolt. So yeah, the impeller one. That's the one that normally breaks loose. I'm kind of surprised it did, but we'll replace it, and I'll show you how I do that. All right, normally I'd have a bunch of these on the tractor. These are 5/16. They are 2.5-inch grade 2 bolts, and I've got a lock washer and a nut. It would probably be best if I used a nylon lock nut, because sometimes when it's really cold, I lose the lock washer with my frozen fingers. So we'll take a couple of these, put them in the tractor, and then I just keep a 1/2-inch wrench in the tractor as well. So let's get that fixed. Well, some people actually spend money on actual shear bolts, but don't waste your money. A grade 2 bolt works just as well. It's a lot cheaper than buying actual shear bolts. And guys, I've been using these grade 2 bolts since day one of my snowblower, and I've been blowing snow for what, 6-7 years this way. I have never had a problem. The bolts are probably the same. They probably have the same braking strength as a shear bolt, I would guess. I used to use 1/4-inch bolts, and they would break a lot more often than these 5/16. So that was an issue with the 1/4-inch. They worked fine. but they're going to break a lot more often. And I think that the reason that I broke this, I think I engaged the PTO at too high of an RPM. So it kind of gave it that jerky feeling, and snap goes the shear bolt. So we're going to go back where we were with the offset blade, and we'll give it another try. Here we go. Wow, UPS must be short on trucks. They're renting U-Hauls. See that? Delivering Amazon packages in a U-Haul van by UPS. Very interesting. So if you haven't got your Christmas gifts yet, there's still hope. And if you live in the Denver area, I understand that they're like 4 weeks behind. So in case you haven't got your packages in the Denver area for some reason, I've got some sisters out there, so that's why I know. 4 weeks behind on packages. Isn't that something? Alright, I'm going to wait for this gal to get out of the way so I don't fill the back of her U-Haul with snow. That wouldn't be very nice of me. So she's busy working. We'll give her some time. Well, that Amazon delivery came to my neighbor. Got a ton of packages. He's out of town, so I texted him and I said, hey, you got a lot of packages. Would you like me to do something? So he gave me his garage code. I'm going to put them away for him. There we go. He's all set. It's been a long time since I've been able to do a snow clearing video, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was fun for me. I'm going to have another video coming out, and in the next video, I think what I'm going to be talking about is tips for using a snowblower and a backblade on a BX. I've been doing this for a while. I've learned a few things by trial and error, so I want to share them with you. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe. Like the video, right? Thumbs up. You guys are getting better at that. I appreciate it too. Thank you very much. It's helping the channel grow. And leave me a comment, or if you got a question, we've got the Facebook group as well. A Ritter bit will do. Join us on Facebook. There you can message me, and I'm really good about getting back to you most of the time. Until next time, guys.
Keep on catching, and God bless.
God bless. Here we go. Oh my goodness. They're wearing me out. Whew. Okay, ladies, Dad's got to go inside. No! And you're gonna have to pull each other. All right. Oh man, getting a good workout.